Hey folks, JC here, CarLogic Group, the home of guaranteed credit approval and also first-time buyers program. Today I've got for you a 2006 Toyota Sienna van. Seats 8, folks. You got plenty of room for everybody in here. And if you don't need all those seats, you fold them down into the floor and you got plenty of room for hauling. Hey, this is a V6. Vehicle runs out great. Air is ice cold. Just the kind of vehicle you're going to need for the summer. Plenty of room. If you're going to take a vacation, got plenty of room for the luggage and for folks. Great tires. Hey guys, you got to come down and see this one. You got your roof rack here. Everything that you need to travel. 615-281-9425. JC, CarLogic Group, home of the guaranteed credit approval. Hey, hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. We appreciate it. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a fantastic day, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.